Hi, hello everyone. This is Lakshmi once again. Welcome to my channel, Maths Super Tips and Tricks. In this channel, I'm going to discuss the various levels of examinations, especially objective type on maths. Very simple, easy tips and tricks I'm going to use. So, very helpful to the students, very helpful to the aspirants who are facing their objective type examinations. Within short time, we have to focus the more number of questions. There is no difficult at all, just you have to follow with easy tips and tricks. Today's video is one of the special video. So from this each and every question within one tip, I'm going to crack in 2 to 3 seconds. Only takes 2 to 3 seconds. I'm crack the every question with majorly one tip. How it is possible you want to know, just you can watch the video. And before start the video, I'm requesting you all, please subscribe my channel. If you subscribe, then only all notifications, all videos notifications comes to your place, that is free of cost. There is no question of paid, so I am not forcing you in our paid course. That is up to you, but you have to want to watch all my videos for your better performance. Just please like, share and subscribe. At the same time, click the bell notification. So it is a free of cost. It takes hardly fraction of seconds. So who can encourage the educationalist channel majorly other than the students? That is only in your hand. Support my channel definitely. I will come with more and more videos with innovative methods, tips and tricks. Those are most helpful to you. There is no doubt about it. Is it clear? Are you ready? Yes. Now we'll enter into the today's video. Clear? Right. Yes, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm discussing about the limits at the infinity at 0 with a major tip. Within 2 to 3 seconds, how can I crack? Simple tips. I'm using the crack the limit at infinity at 0 within 2 to 3 seconds. Are you ready? Now, look at the question numbers one by one. Question number 1 now. This is a limit extends to infinity 1 power 1 by x plus 2 power 1 by x plus 3 power 1 by x plus so on plus n power 1 by x upon n overall power x is there. This one simply we can write in 2 steps. That's enough. How it is within 2 seconds. So to observe this one, I have taken these 2 steps, 2 seconds. Just you can look at this tip. Yes, come to this step. What is this step? Limit extends to infinity a1 power 1 by x plus a2 power 1 by x plus and so on plus an power 1 by x. If there will be a1, a2, an up to n terms by n. How many terms are there? That much number will be here. And the power of each one is a1, a2, an is 1 by x, 1 by x, 1 by x. Overall power x is there. As extends to infinity, that is simply nth root of product of a1, a2, a3 up to an. This is also equals to, maybe in place of infinity there is 0. You know infinity means what? 1 by 0. So if infinity reverse is 0. Means what? Here only reverse of 1 by x, x will come. Wherever x is there we can take 1 by x. Maybe 1 by x is there we can take as x, but x tends to here 0. Same value is depends upon the limit extends to 0. a1 power in place of 1 by x you can take x. a1 power x plus a2 power x plus and so on plus n power x overall power 1 by x. What is upon? By n. There will be n terms. Then only one tip to crack these questions within 2 seconds. Is it clear? Now according to this one, you know a1, a2, a3, 1, 2, 3 up to n, a1, a2, a3, each power is 1 by x, 1 by x, 1 by x. There will be n terms by n, overall power x is there. That is nth root of a1, a2, a3. a1, a2, a3 are 1, 2, 3 and so on. 1 into 2 into 3 and up to n. So you know this is called as continuous product of n natural numbers. Continuous product of n natural numbers is simply n factorial, nth root in the sense whole power 1 by n. That's it. Clear? Now come to the second question. So here also x tends to 0 is there. 16 power x plus 9 power x upon 2. There will be 2 terms by 2. Overall power 1 by x. If there is x tends to 0, powers of each is x and overall power 1 by x. There will be 2 terms by 2. We can use same formula. What is the answer for this one? Square root. 2 means 2 terms. Nth root means instead of n, we can write square root of a1, a2. 2 only there. 16 into 9. 16 into 9 is 144. Root 144 is 12. Right. Or within 2 seconds. Right. Now can you guess what is next answer? Same here. But here we have to concentrate. 2 power x, 2 power 2x is there. 2 power x, 2 power x, some x only. But here 2x is there. The power must be equal. X. But here 2x, 3x are there. This one step extra you have to take. Can I write like this? 2 power x, okay, as it is. 2 power 2x means for 2 square whole power x. That is 4 power x. 2 power 3x is 2 cube, 8 power x. 2 cube is 8 by 3. There will be 3 terms, 3 factorial. So by 3. Therefore, what is the answer? Cube root. Instead of n, there will be cube. 3 terms. Cube root of a1, a2, a3. That is 2 into 4 into 8. That is 8, 64. Cube root of 64 is 4. Cube root of 64. 64 you can write 4 cube. Cube root of 4 cube is 4. That's it. Is it clear? Like we can crack the questions limited infinity at 0 case within 2 to 3 seconds. Just majorly one tip. Like that we can do some more questions, some more tips. Depends upon the single tip. We crack the questions within 2 seconds, 2 to 3 seconds. Right? Limit n tends to infinity 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube upon 3n power 4 plus 5n cube plus 6. This is taking only 2 steps. Yes, that's all. Only 2 steps. How it is possible? Just you can look at this step. Yes, this step is enough. Here you can observe that limit some extends to infinity. There will be polynomial functions in numerator as well as denominator like this. a1 x power m plus a2 x power m minus 1 and so on plus am. Where m is a power of the means degree of the numerator. Highest power of variable, that is called as degree of this polynomial function numerator. Same way another polynomial function is there in denominator whose degree is a x power n. Then this result immediately can taken as a1 by b1 when m is equals to n. The powers of x means degree of numerator and denominator is equal. Immediately can take a1 by b1. a1 is quotient of x power m, the degree term quotient. b1 is degree term quotient in the denominator. a1 by b1 you can take. That's it. When m is equals to n. Is it clear? When m is less than n means what? The value degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. Denominator immediately can take it as 0. What about next? If m is greater than n, degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator, immediately you can take plus or minus infinity, either plus infinity or minus infinity. Plus or minus infinity we can take, where plus or minus sign depends on sign of, a1. Only a1 sign is positive if it is plus infinity. You can take if it is negative minus, but we can use m greater than n is either plus infinity or minus infinity. Is it clear? That's it. According to that one, we can observe this question. Limit n tends to infinity. In place of x here x function in terms of x is there, x tends to infinity, but here function in terms of n is there, that's when n tends to infinity is given. Maybe variable will be changed, but process doesn't change. So for this, what you can take, limit also I'm writing n tends to infinity. You know, numerator you can observe that 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to n cube. That means simply sum of the cubes of first n natural numbers. What is sum of the cubes of first n natural numbers is n square of n plus whole square by 4. Already denominator is as is, we can take. First we can use here sum of the cubes of n natural numbers. That is what? N square of n plus 1 whole square by 4. Already denominator is as it is. We can observe that here. What is the degree of numerator here? N square, here also n square. N square, n power 4 means the degree is 4 in numerator. Right. What about denominator? Here already 4 into 3, 12 times of n power 4. Degree of denominator is also 4. Means what? Clearly numerator degree is same as denominator degree. Immediately you can take quotients of x power m means numerator quotient degree by denominator. What is the quotient? Highest quotient power n power 4, its quotient is 1. In denominator, quotient 4 into 3, 12. That is 1 by 2. That's it. Clear? So come to the next question. You have to consider that this major tip is applicable to some other formations also, especially indeterminate forms. Wherever maybe it is there, you can use it. So you can concentrate what is a major tip. That is important, right? Now can come to the next question. Limit x tends to infinity 2 plus x whole power 40, 4 plus x whole power 5 upon 1 minus x whole power 45 is given. For this I am writing only one step. That's it. The solution is minus 1. How it is? Just here also, no need to expand and check all those terms. Just you have to concentrate on degree term. What is the degree term? Here x power 40, here x power 4, x power 5, x power 40 and x power 5. 40 plus 5, 45. In denominator, minus x whole power 45. Here also 45. Both are the same. Means you can use a1 by b1. a1 is x power 45, quotient is 1 only. In denominator, minus 1 whole power 45. Minus 1 whole power 45 is minus 1 because of 45 is odd number. So minus 1 whole power 45 is minus 1. 1 by minus 1 is minus 1. That's it. Maybe may give the function terms of x, n, whatever may be variable, that is doesn't matter. Just you have to concentrate what is a major tip. Clear? Now can you do the next question? Right. What is the next question? For this question, limit n tends to infinity 1 by 1 minus n square plus 2 by 1 minus n square plus so on plus n by 1 minus n square. This one shall I rewrite on step? Yes, that answer is minus 1 by 2. Or it is just you have to, in every term in the denominator is 1 minus n square, that is taken as LCM. What about numerator becomes 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. You know, sum of the first n natural numbers formula, n of n plus 1 by 2. N of n plus 1 by 2. Already 1 minus n square is there. You know what is here? Degree term n square. What is degree? 2. Here also n square degree is 2. Both are same. Means we can use a1 by b1 only. In place of a1, 1, b1 is 2 into minus 1, minus 1. 1 by minus 1 is clearly minus 1 by 2. Is it clear? Just you have to follow the what is major tip. So we can crack the solution within 2 to 3 seconds. That's maximum enough, right? Question number 7. Limit extends to infinity of 1 x squared plus 2x minus 1 by 2x squared plus x plus 2 overall power x minus 1 by x plus 2. Simply I am writing this as 1 by 2. What is 1 by 2? Here there will be two types of the functions. One is a base function, another is a power function. Limit extends to infinity is there. According to this tip, what is a base function here? Can concentrate on this one. X square, degree of this is 2, this is also 2, both are same. Means what you can use, m is equal to n, a1 by b1. What is a1 here? X square quotient is 1, here 2. 1 by 2 power. One more step also you can write. Power, this is base function. Power function also same way. So what is the degree of this is 1, degree of this is also 1, means m is equals to n. Now what are the a1, b1 here? 1 by 1, 1 by 1 is 1 only. That's finally 1 by 2. That's it. Okay, right. Now come to the next question. It is given that limit n tends to infinity 2 into 3 power n plus 1 minus 3 into 5 power of n plus 1 upon 2 into 3 power of n minus 3 into 5 power n. This is I am writing one step first of all. That's it. How it is, you can look at here. So yeah, just you have to split the power function. What is the power function here? 3 power of n plus 1, 5 power of n plus 1. To make the powers are equal here and here. Here 3 power n, here 3 power n. Here 5 power n, here 3 power n plus 1 power, but here only 3 power n. Here 5 power n plus 1, here 5 power. First we can equate the powers. Here to reduce into 3 power n plus 1 as 3 power n. You know a power m plus n formula. A power m plus n we can write a power m into a power n. 3 power n plus 1 we can write 3 power means 3 power 1 means 3 into 3 power n minus same way next term 3 into 5 power n plus 1 we can write 5 power 1 is 5 into 5 power n upon denominator is as it is. Now you can concentrate what is the highest value of this is just like degree value here you can think highest value is power 5 power n. What is its quotient? 5 power n. Here also 5 power n. Highest value you have to think. What is its quotient? 3 into 5 minus 15 like a1 minus 15 by b1 is 5. No need to worry these terms. That is minus 15 by 3 is minus 5. Is it clear? Here you have to think highest value. Okay, with the powers of 5 power n. Power n with the 5 or 3 or whatever may be. Is it clear? Now come to the next question. This value immediately I am taking as 0. How it is? Look at here. First of all, limit extends to infinity. Given function in terms of x. 1 plus x power 10 plus 2 plus x power 10 and so on. 2019 plus x power 10. What is the degree of this function? Degree highest power is what here? 10 only. Okay. How many terms are there? 1, 2, up to 2019. What is the degree term? X power 10. Up to how many terms? 2019 terms are there. Means what actually? 2019 times of x power 10 and so on will come. No need to worry about them. Then denominator is what? X power 2020 plus 2021. So what is the numerator degree? 10. Denominator degree 2020. You know clearly m is less than n. M is less than n means immediately you can take in a 0. That's it. Clear? Now maybe values may be changed, maybe years, maybe months, maybe days, maybe some A, some B, some C, etc. Just you have to concentrate what is the major part. Clear? Now question number 13. Simply this answer I am writing. That's it. This answer I am writing. So how it is? That is I have given to your work. How this one I did just only one thing. That is simply S. Limit x tends to 0, tan power n x minus sin power n x upon x power of n plus 2. If the power of tan and sin, we can observe that here n, but in denominator the power of x is plus 2 extra, that is n plus 2, then only it is the n by 2. The power of the sin or cos whatever may we can take by 2. Sometimes if the x power is not plus 2 extra, you have to fulfill that one, then only can use this tip. Is it clear now? These questions by depends upon this step has given the questions in previous M set. 3 to 4 bits are there. So you can refer them, but you can understand what is the first of all this step. Limit x tends to 0, tan power n x minus sin power n x by x power n plus 2, simply n by 2. Now come to here. What is the power of tan and sin here? 2018. The power of x is 2020. Means what? 18 plus 2 extra. 18 plus 2 is 20. 2020. Now immediately you can use n by 8. In place of n, what is there? 2018 by 2. That is 1009. That's it. Now come to this question. For this question, what is the answer? You can guess it is 3 by 2. N is 3 by 2. But it is wrong because of here 3 is there. Here must be x power 3 plus 2, 5 will be. But is it 5? Is it 5? No, it's not 5, it is 4. To reduce it is into 5. To use that tip, you have to divide and multiply with x, one more x. Now it is in the form of tan power n x minus sin power n x by x power 4 plus 1, 3 plus 4 plus 1 is 5, 3 plus 1 is 5. Now this is clearly, what is that? Clearly 3 by 2, but here what is the next? 3 by 2 into x is there, x tends to what? 0. 3 by 2 into 0 is 0, not 3 by 2. Because there will be missing, what is the missing here? One x is missing, divide and multiply with x, then only you can use that tip. But it is directly, right? Now what about next question? That is your work. Limit x tends to 0, tan power 2014 minus sin power 2014 by x power 2016. Easily you can do. You can mention your answer in the comment box, then I will check it, right? Now yes, some questions I did by using some standard functions. Simple functions are there in limits. By using them, we can crack the solution within fraction of seconds. Or it is, you can look at some questions here. Question number 16, limit x tends to 0, root over 1 plus x square minus root over 1 minus x plus x square upon 3 power x minus 1, you have to do. For this one, I am using the especially denominator. You can observe the 3 power x minus 1 is there. You can think about this standard form. Limit a power x minus 1 by x tends to 0 is log a. To reduce into that form, 3 power x in place of a power x, 3 power x is there. One x is missing. You can divide and multiply with x to use that formula. And also you can concentrate on numerator. In the numerator, there will be root over 1 plus x square minus root over 1 minus x plus x square. You can rationalization to simplify the function. What is rationalization factor here? Rationalizing, I am doing numerator. Limit x tends to 0. Rationalizing factor is root over 1 plus x square plus root over 1 minus x plus x square. Now numerator becomes a plus b into a minus b, you know very well. A square minus b square. Square root gets cancelled. Numerator will be reduced like this after rationalization. 1 plus x square with minus of 1 minus x plus x square. Denominator is root over 1 plus x square with plus root over 1 minus x plus x square. You know this is our rationalization factor. Into one more factor is there, that is 3 power x minus 1. To use that formula, divide and multiply with x here, right? Now everything will be ready. Now open the numerator, 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, plus x square minus x square cancel. What is left over? Minus of minus x plus x by limit x tends to 0. You can write a limit L and also LT also, you know well. So here what is left over? X gets cancelled. Now simply application of limit. Here by taking the 1 by 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus here 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 into what will be, this is log 3 according to that formula. 1 by 2 log 3, simply 1 by log 3 square is 9. That's it. Just you have to concentrate on rationalization as well as use that standard formula. Clear? Now look at the next question. He 17th question is given that if f of 9 by 2 value is 2 by 9 is given, then he is asking this limit extends to 0 f of 1 minus 3x by x square. In previous video limits, you can refer that one. I used this one of the major tip. It's a very important. I said there only 1 minus cos x by x square limit extends to 0 is simply 1 by 2. Limit 1 minus cos x by x square as extends to 0 is 1 by 2 you have to take. Whatever may be x, that square must be in the denominator, then only it will be 1 by 2 in case of 1 minus cos x by x square. Same way we can think about this limitation for this one. Limit extends to 0. 1 minus cos x, in place of x what is there here? 3x is there. In denominator we need 3x whole square. 3x whole square means what? 9x square we want, but only x square is there. To use that formula, divide and multiply with f is already there. Divide and multiply with 9. 9x square we can add 3x whole square as a denominator. Numerator we can take it as 9. Now what is this value? This is clearly 1 by 2. Therefore, what is the limit? Limit extends to 0 f of, here this is 1 by 2 into 9, that is 9 by 2. What is f of 9 by 2 value is given as 2 by 9. 9 by 2 itself only constant f of, the final answer is 2 by 9. That's it. Just use the what is given result. Is it clear? And also you can use that standard form. Now come to the next question. For this question what you can do? This answer is simple I am writing. That's it. Log of 10 by 2 is, we can get 10 by 2 means 5. How it is, you have to remember this one first of all. Limit a power x minus b power x by x as x tends to 0 is log a by b. This one you can use here. Log a by b. Here to reduce into this formula, here 10 power x minus 2 power x by x is missed. Here you know already this is sin x. Sin x to reduce into 1, what is missed here? X. Divide and multiply sin x here. Therefore, what will be happen? Limit 10 power x minus 2 power x by sin x by x is 1, 1 more x will be left over. Right. Now, what is this form? 10 power x minus 2 power x by x tends to 0. It is clearly in the form of a power x minus b power x by x tends to 0. That is clearly log a by b. In place of a, what is it? 10, b2, log 10 by 2. Log 10 by 2 is simply log 5. Okay, in this video, majorly I focused on the limit at infinity, limit at 0. How can you crack with a major tip within 2 to 3 seconds? Just you can watch the video till and this is most helpful to you. There is no difficult at all. This application is useful to crack some other models also. Those models I will discuss in next video. So please watch this video. I said to you, please like, share and subscribe, and regularly you can make a comment. Definitely that is a most encouragement to me to upload more and more very useful videos to you with free of cost. There is no question of money here. Just I'm giving all these videos with free of cost. Just you have to subscribe. Who are maybe subscribers, for them only I will send the links, then only you can watch my videos. Not only these this topic, more and more topics we can come to your place. Definitely we can do that job. What is that? Subscription. That is must and should. If you do the subscription, and that is a great encouragement to us also to forward more and more videos for your best and better preparation. Okay, the preparation and is equals to your better rank in your objective level of examinations. There is no difficult at all. Just we can do the small job. That's it. Only fraction of seconds it will be complete. Is it clear now? Hope so you can do it. In next video I will come with new topic. Till then, bye.